Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we're going to be creating my journal spread for the week of August 14th through the 20th. I am filming this late. It is the 13th, so the day before this week starts. I am going to be using the Plant Babe from Live Love Posh. I love that sticker book, so as you can see, all of these plants are so lovely and I wanted to use them. And I'm going to be using Mojo Jojo boxes as well because that's kind of a thing in every single plan with me. So nothing new here, but I wanted to incorporate these plants. I do have quite a few plants in the house. It is a hobby of mine to keep my little plants alive. If you have the same hobby, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what is your favorite plant. Mine is the Swiss cheese monstera. It is absolutely lovely. So it is like a monstera, but it has a lot more holes and it kind of is viney and it goes up. So I love that little plant of mine. It is absolutely adorable. So if you have a favorite plant, let me know. And then my second favorite plants are my orchids. I have quite a few of them and I know they're challenging, but so far so good. So some of them have survived over 8 years, so that means I'm doing something right. But anyway, look at this green room with all of the chairs in there and all of that stuff. Look how lovely. I would love to have something like this. If this is your first time joining, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I am so happy you're here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this washi. It is a green washi grid. How fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the spread, and I think that might kind of elevate it a little and make it look a little bit different from my normal ones. So like I promised a few videos back, I am trying to incorporate washes a lot more in my plan with me's. So if you are experiencing the same issue, welcome to my club, because even though I have so many washes, I remember them after I already planned, so that doesn't help at all, at least not in my situation. And of course, I have broke a sticker. I've broken a branch and I'm gonna have to put a band-aid on it. So I don't know how that happens. I'm normally so delicate. Yes, my hair is in the camera. Sorry you guys, but I have to get really close. See? You can barely tell, right? Well, kind of. If you know, you know. That's all I'm gonna say. Anyway, so let me go ahead and layer some of these boxes. As you guys know, I love writing in boxes and kind of separating my paragraphs like that or topics. So I really do enjoy writing in my journal that way. So that's why I do it the way I do it. Okay, a few more plants because I love them. I can't live without them, but I'm not going to crowd this spread too much. There's going to be lots going on this week. So I want to make sure I have room to write, right? So that's kind of where I am. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add a few more things. I am using dark boxes not to take away from the plants. I think that's kind of a little bit more muted and it doesn't seem as badly distracting. So I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and continue. I'm gonna add some washi right here. I think that looks pretty good. I don't want to matchy, so it is what it is. And then I'm gonna add a few quotes. So plant lady right there. And then from narrative hues, I have these little green clouds, as I call them. They are little ink swatches, and I will put them into the planner and write on top of them, and it will look super cute. So they're also green. They come in a set of 3, I think. It's called Fleur, as in a plant, like the tree. So I thought that was kind of fun. So I'm adding these little things as titles almost into my spread. So I really do like it. Let me know if you do and if you have them. And if so, how do you use them? So that's kind of where I am right now. I'm going to put this little guy right here. Look at that. Yay! I love plants so much. So much. They make me so happy. I'm going to put this little monstera leaf up here. My little monstera leaves are so cute. And then this potted plant is going to join those two boxes. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab the quote and let's put plant dreams right here. And then grow a happy life on the other side, like so. Kind of like that. And I think I am all done. I'm going to pop this back into the planner and I'll see you guys soon for another plan with me. Thanks for joining and have a great week. Bye.